In today's lesson, we're going to look at sensors, monitoring systems, and control systems. A sensor is a device which reads or measures a physical property. This could be the temperature, sound, weight, anything really that can be physically measured or recorded. There are a wide range of sensors. Most are self-explanatory, but let's have a look at some of these, or most of these, now. So, first of all, a temperature sensor is used for controlling a central heating system. It can also be used to control or monitor a chemical process or even the temperature in a greenhouse. A humidity sensor can be used to control or monitor the humidity or moisture levels of soil or even the air in a greenhouse. A light sensor can be used to switch on the lights when it gets dark. An infrared sensor is used to detect motion. It can be used to count people entering or even leaving a building. It can be used to detect intruders, to set off an alarm, or even turn on the windscreen wipers on cars automatically. A pressure sensor can be used to detect changes in weight. Now, this can be used in self-checkouts, intruder alarms, and more. An acoustic sensor detects sound, so it will be used to pick up noise to detect intruders. A gas sensor monitors pollution levels in a river or the air. A pH sensor is used to monitor or control the acidity of soil in a greenhouse and even in rivers. And finally, a magnetic field sensor is used in any application where you need to know if the magnetic field has been changed. Sensors are used in monitoring applications and control applications, also known as monitoring systems and control systems. A monitoring system is one which tracks data through sensors and, if needed, will produce an output. A control application is one which uses a sensor to control a specific task, like turning on a streetlight after detecting it is dark. We're going to look at these in a little more detail now. So, an example of a monitoring system is a burglar alarm system. The system is activated by entering in a password on a keypad. An infrared sensor is then used to pick up the movement of an intruder in the building. An acoustic sensor would be used to pick up the sound of glass breaking or footsteps, and a pressure sensor is used to detect movement. If data received by the sensor is outside of a suitable range that is set in advance, then a signal is sent to a siren to sound the alarm. An example of a controlled application is an anti-lock braking system in cars. This uses a magnetic field sensor. When a car wheel rotates too slowly, a magnetic field sensor sends data to a microprocessor. The microprocessor checks the speed of the other three wheels. If they are different, the microprocessor will send a signal to the braking system, which will then speed up the wheel to match the speed of the other wheels. And that's everything you need to know about sensors.